Hello everyone, this is our post-event meeting video where we'll be sharing our techniques and our reflection on our science experiment presentation. Each of us will be talking about how our experiment went, the challenges we faced, and what we can improve next time. Hope this reflection helps us learn and do better in our future projects.
For my part, I will insert magic milk experiments. From my point of view, my activity went very well. The color spread nicely and the reaction was clear and easy to see. So this step was simple and I explained them clearly. So the experiment was done smoothly. The material was simple and easy to use and there were no big problems during the demonstration. So even though it was successful, I felt I could have explained the science in even simple words. So overall, I was happy with how the magic milk experiments turned out. So that's all from me.
Greetings sir, so now I would like to talk about the second experiment that we did, which is the lava lamp. So to be honest, the lava lamp experiment didn't go as we expected because the bubble reaction was not very visible. It is because of the quantity of water and oil was not quite right. Even though the effect didn't turn out as we planned, we did not go blank, but we managed the situation well. It is still a valuable opportunity to work as a team and to solve the problem during the experiment itself. So that's all for the second experiment. Thank you.
So for my part will be a mini volcano. So therefore it was a success experiment because my teammate Shankri and I have prepared and organized it neatly by preparing the colored baking soda and the lemon juice. We have already squeezed it early and like arranged it and everything. And for the decoration, as my teammate has explained during the presentation, we had done it in a dinosaur zone era, so it will make it look attractive. Therefore, when we do the experiment, it has happened as how we expected, where we were worried if it will like the baking soda will push out or not, and it was a success. So that's all for my part.
Hi everyone, I'll be talking about the challenges that we face on the science experiment presentation. So we carry out 3 experiments such as volcano eruption, lava lamp and magic milk. So for the volcano eruption and magic milk, it went smoothly during the both trial and presentation. So we didn't face any challenges for the experiment. However, for the lava lamp, also worked perfectly during the trial, but on the presentation day the bubbles were slower and the movement wasn't as strong. This might be due to using a different type of proportions. Overall, we struggled by buying the right materials and managing our setup time. We rushed a little and that may have affected the result of lava lamp. Even though not everything turned out as a plan, the experiment taught me a lot of preparations, consistency and staying calm. So I think that's all from me. Thank you.
So my part will be ways to improve the issues. So we faced 3 issues, which is magic milk experiment, the lava lamp experiment and also materials problem. For the lava milk experiment, we should have made sure the milk was in room temperature so the color can spread strongly, but the milk was slightly cold, so it caused some problem there. For lava milk, the same proportions of oil, water and color, so we should have made sure everything was the same, but then we poured extra water and less oil, so the effect was less there. And then for the materials problem, we should have made a checklist so that it will be organized rather than missing out and buying things last minute. We should have provided a checklist with it. And then for the setup time issue, we prepared and labeled the materials the day before only. We should have done that earlier so that it will make the thing much more easier and organized. So that's all for my part. Overall, this experience taught us a lot about teamwork, preparation and staying calm even when things does not go as planned. We learned what worked well and what we need to improve, and we believe that the lessons will help us in our next presentation. Thank you for watching our post-event reflection video.